Welcome to TechCaliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to boost processor or CPU speed in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you need to do is just go to your search bar. In here, type Edit Power Plan. And in the best matches, you'll find Edit Power Plan. Just open this up. After that, you need to go to Change Advanced Power Settings. And in here, in the drop-down menu, you need to select High Performance. Or if you have ultra high performance, just select that. I only have high performance, so I'm gonna select this. Then I'm gonna scroll down and go to processor power management. And in here, in minimum processor power state, this settings should be set to 0%. And in maximum processor power state, it should be set to 100%. Then just click on apply and click on OK. And then just close this and click on save changes. Then you can close this window as well. Then just go ahead and restart your PC and your processor should be performing way better than before. And that is how to boost processor or CPU speed in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.